Hello, my name is Mr. Rudy. I am a American literature teacher at Whitnall High School, and I'm here to present today on Unit 5, Heroes and Freedom, specifically our enduring understandings. Students, as we finish up One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest, hopefully many of us have finished our class novel, we are going to transition then to Unit 5. Ms. Cussler, Ms. Streit, and I are excited to work on this unit. It will primarily take place in the month of April and ends with a really neat culminating project. So, here are our enduring understandings. These are those things that you generally write about at the end of those district exams. And I want to take a couple minutes today and talk about them so that we can look for them as we are as we are reading and possibly even presenting different texts. The first one is freedom comes with a price. This is probably one of the easier enduring understandings for us to understand and think about. Freedom does come with a price. We see that here in America with our military. We certainly see it currently today with the COVID-19 health pandemic with our healthcare workers. They're out there on the front lines taking care of people, making sure that everybody can be healthy and survive this. And the price can ultimately be their own safety, which also plays into the next enduring understanding. There is a danger in prohibiting rights in order to protect rights. That's something that we're going to want to look for and think about as we are reading our texts in Unit 5, Heroes and Freedom. Then the last one, I apologize if the screencast is sort of covering that. It also is a very simple enduring understanding, but very profound. A hero may not always be popular, and a hero knows the best way is not always the easiest. Freedom comes with a price. As we're reading different things in Unit 5, as those are coming to you through our Google Classroom platform, please know that you're going to want to think about what sacrifices a character may have to make in a novel, a poem, a short story. And in that poem, what might a speaker think about or be saying about freedom and what that means? We really want to remind you to go back to TPcast, to go back to Soapstone, and some of those literary strategies that you've been taught, and will definitely help us try to understand these different parts of the text. And finally, a lot in this unit comes up, there is a lot in this unit that deals with the American Revolutionary War and that conflict. What did people sacrifice during that time in our country's history to help America become a country and certainly set the stage for what we have become today? There's a danger in prohibiting rights in order to protect rights. We oftentimes can think about that economic idea of opportunity cost. So opportunity cost, as a quick reminder, is if I choose to buy this phone, that means that I'm not buying all of the other phones, makes and models that are available and out there. Opportunity cost is an important concept. Also, a hero may not always be popular, and a hero knows the best way is not always the easiest. It's kind of two targets and two understandings that are sort of condensed into one. But as we read and discuss and present different ideas within Unit 5, Heroes and Freedom, we want to think about that and what that means. To kind of conclude and wrap up today's presentation, thank you very much for your time. Please stay safe. Please make sure, if you have not yet done so, that you check in with an adult, that you check in with a teacher. At Whitnall High School, we do want to make sure that you're safe and that you're able to receive this information. Thank you so much for your time today, and we look forward to working through Unit 5, Heroes and Freedom.